Beat around the bush. Beat around the bush. It's an idiom. It means not getting to the point. Answer the questions in an indirect manner to conceal one's real intentions. That is, not speaking directly or precisely. It is nothing but avoiding about the main topic. It can also be said as beat about the bush. Beat about the bush. Let's see it in the examples. Will you please stop beating around the bush? Just answer my questions. Straight away, please answer my questions. Don't beat around the bush means don't give me indirect answers. Give me direct answer. Second one, stop beating around the bush. How much is it going to cost? You tell me the cost of this item. Don't tell me all other things. Directly you tell me the cost or real cost of this item. The third one, don't beat around the bush and tell me frankly what you think of my proposition. What do you think about my idea, either it is good or bad? You tell me directly. Don't beat around the bush. Don't talk anything else. The fourth one, you will have to learn to speak clearly about what you want. You won't get anywhere if you keep beating around the bush. If you really want to go and achieve your goal, then you have to be very clearly understood by others, or else others will not guide you. So don't keep beating around the bush. Be straightforward. The fifth one, I know this discussion is an uncomfortable one, but instead of beating around the bush, let's come to the point and get over with it. So instead of talking all other unnecessary things, let's come to the point directly and we will finish it. So instead of beating around the bush, about the bush. So beat around the bush idiom is taken from the cruel sport of bat fowling. Bat fowling is nothing but hunting the birds in the forest. So bat fowlers, the people who hunt the birds in the forest, are called bat fowlers. So these people, bat fowlers, entered the forest during the night and proceeded to kill fowls, that are birds. They used to kill the birds in the night with the bats. They used to carry the bats, and with the help of the bats, they used to kill these birds. The bat fowlers and their servants used to scrub the birds by beating around the bush in which the birds were sleeping. The sleepy birds, dazed and confused by the sudden commotion, would then fly directly to the bright light that the men were carrying. Here, they were beaten to death. So once the bird comes to the light, they used to kill it with the help of a bat. The bat fowlers who beat about the bush were not really interested in the bush. They were interested in the birds that were sleeping in the bush inside. So finally, beat around the bush is nothing but not speaking directly or precisely or avoiding talking the main topic.